as wobbly as it was at 1-1 for Norway. And Odegaard has his part to play here.
This is great. I love this. I think this is brilliant. It really is.
We get a football match and a concert as well.
You do. Here we go. Are you ready, Martin?
I wonder whether other clubs might think they can do something like this. We had it with Iceland, didn't we, in the Euros in 2016, but yes, special clapping.
Here they go.
Yeah. Just settling them down first. Just to wait. Yeah. Wait. Everyone's got to be ready. Alving's playing his part as well, quieting the crowd down. He won't do what he tells them, that's for sure. I don't know whether he's looking for somebody or whether the long boats were like that when they were rowing into the distance. The seafaring nation. It will be worth the wait, I promise you. But not if you're following the Côte d'Ivoire. Here we go. Seafarers of the past set out to conquer lands, and here we've got a nation trying to conquer the world in the football sense. Special times, young and old, and certainly for the footballers who had some nervy moments. Martin Odegaard wasn't smiling like that with a couple of minutes to go when that free kick was given away.
Correct, very true actually, very true, but lovely scenes these, lovely. Really, what a World Cup was absolutely all about this. When you win, you've got to go for it. You've got to enjoy it with your fans, because there's no better feeling, honestly.
Well, the wisdom comes out when you win. And they found a way. We could call it the Norway, I guess. And they're into the last 16. And they are absolutely excellent.